Ever wondered what's it like to step inside the world of Indian cinema? To walk through epic movie sets, witness breathtaking stunts, and feel the magic of filmmaking all around you? Well, that's exactly what we did at Ramoji Film City. Hello all, welcome back to my channel Meghi, Smiles and Trends. Please consider subscribing before we get into the video. Get ready because in this video I'm taking you on an immersive journey through our incredible day, from grand entrances to mythological kingdoms and even a peek behind the scenes of Mahishmati itself. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Our adventure began bright and early. We booked our tickets online, which I highly recommend to save time. After a quick stop at the counter to collect our physical tickets, we hopped onto one of Ramoji's convenient shuttle buses. These buses are your best friend for getting around this massive place. Our first stop, and where everyone typically begins, was Eureka. And let me tell you, it lives up to its name. We arrived just in time for the opening ceremony, and wow, the energy was infectious. There was this incredible dance performance, a vibrant welcoming all the visitors. It immediately transported us into a festive cinematic mood. It truly felt like the grand premiere of our own movie. From the rhythmic elegance of Eureka, we swung right into the adrenaline-pumping action of Wild West. This place is designed to make you feel like you have walked straight onto a classic cowboy movie set. We caught their live stunt show and it was seriously impressive. Think thrilling fight sequences, perfectly timed explosions, and some really cool special effects. The performers were so engaging and it was a fantastic blend of action and comedy. You could really see the dedication and precision that goes into creating these live spectacles. It gave us a taste of how they create a movie magic right before our eyes, but in totally different genre. Have you ever seen a live stunt show like this? Let me know in the comments below. After all that excitement, it was time for the main event, the Grand Studio Tour. We boarded another special tour bus. These are essential as the film city is huge. This fountain you see is called as Angel Fountain. Our guide gave us fascinating insights as we drove, pointing out various landmarks that have graced the silver screen countless times. This is the detachable jug fountain. Krish 3 bomb blast scene was shot here. And this is a multi-purpose building. This building was used as Raj Mahal in Chandramukhi. This is the building where Alia Bhatt lived in the movie Gangubai Kathiawadi. This was the place used to shoot the masjid scenes in the movie Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi. These streets will be shown as busy marketplaces in movies, and this is the place where Pushpa movie's intro song was shot. We also saw the traditional village sets where the simple mud houses and thatched roofs make you feel like you've stepped right into a rural movie scene. In this rural setup, many films like Baahubali 1, Baahubali 2, PS1, PS2 and Chennai Express movies were shot. These are the corporate office buildings of Ramoji Group of Companies. Next, we visited the Central Jail set, a place that has seen countless hero versus villain face-offs. With its high grey walls and iron-barred cells, it looks incredibly realistic. You can almost hear the dramatic background music playing. It's amazing how this one location has been used to film everything from intense dramas to high-octane action escapes. We also visited the railway station set, which looks so real with its tracks and platforms that you can almost imagine a movie hero running to catch a moving train. Our first major stop in the studio tour that we could explore was the incredible Bhagavatam mythological set. The set is designed to depict various scenes from Hindu mythology. With stunning intricate carvings, grand temple structures, and a serene, almost sacred atmosphere, you can truly appreciate the craftsmanship and the attention to detail that goes into creating these worlds for the big screen. It's not just a backdrop, it's an entire world brought to life. But then, we arrived at the one set I think everyone is most excited to see, the legendary Baahubali set. As soon as you see it, you understand the sheer scale and grandeur of the Mahishmati kingdom. It's absolutely massive. From the towering palace gates to the intricate carvings and the majestic statues, every single detail makes you feel like you've walked straight into the movie. You can almost hear Kattappa's footsteps or envision Baahubali riding through the courtyard. This is the open area where the iconic coronation scenes were shot. Scattered around the set are props like massive chariots used in the war sequences and the giant spear shields of Mahishmati army. Now, the biggest Bhallaladeva statue. This thing is absolutely giant, 125 feet of pure movie gold. It took 100 sculptors and 4 cranes just to put this 8,000 kilo giant in place. This chariot was used in Baahubali 1 to introduce Prabhas with an elephant fight. And that wraps up the first action-packed half of our day at Ramoji Film City. We have seen the grand welcomes, the daring stunts, iconic fountains, ancient mythological worlds, and the epic kingdom of Mahishmati. So if you want to see what else Ramoji Film City has in store, including some amazing interactive experiences and more behind the scenes magic, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss part 2 of our Ramoji adventure. Until we meet in the next part, stay curious and stay happy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying my content.